Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight beneath. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
And we are back with another wig install. These honestly have become my favorite videos to do. But anyway, here I am cutting off the clips. If you know, you know. This is just a personal preference of mine because I'm not trying to pull my hair out. So that's what I do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and size it, put it on, make sure it's all good. And yeah, weird little dance. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace. And yeah, it's looking good, it's coming out. So there's that. And now that it is tinted, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on again. And I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it and you know, make sure it looks good, brush some of the hairs out of the way and stuff before I go ahead and get my Got2b spray and spray it down. I am not gluing this down because I do like to oil my braids, oil my scalp in between, so I'm just kind of like letting it be down a little bit. There I am dancing once again. I think that's how I get through this process. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put my band on. I put 2 of them just to make sure that it's like really good and down. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my bonnet on and go take a shower. Now I'm back and my sister's photobombing here. I am taking my bands off and it already looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all of that lace off. I like to cut it in sections so that I do not cut way too much than I need to cut. And now it is good. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off that little extra piece. And I'm gonna put some more Got2b spray in there just to make sure it's good. And this has been the holy grail for me, is double laying it down. So once I lay it down and cut the lace off, I lay it down once again. And it has been creating these beautiful natural baby hairs, and I am absolutely obsessed. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my foundation and just fill in any areas where I left a little bit of lace on so that it blends seamlessly. And look at that, from far away, but you're about to get a close up here in a minute once I'm done combing it. Like, this install slayed. Look at those baby hairs. You can't tell me this hair didn't come on my scalp. Yes, ma'am. Anyway, let me know what color I should do next.